HELLER Maschinenfabrik GmbH, pioneering precision machinery. HELLER Maschinenfabrik GmbH stands as a beacon of innovation and excellence in the world of precision machinery manufacturing. Since its inception in 1894, the company has evolved from a small family-owned business into a global leader in producing high-quality machine tools. This article delves into the history, product range, technological advancements, market position, and future prospects of HELLER, highlighting its significant contributions to various industries. Historical overview. HELLER was founded by Hermann Heller in 1894 in Nürtingen, Germany. Initially, the company specialized in manufacturing agricultural machinery and hand tools. However, as industrial demands grew, HELLER expanded its product portfolio to include a broader range of industrial equipment. The 1960s marked a pivotal era for HELLER with the development of its first horizontal machining center, which set new standards in precision and efficiency. This innovation was a turning point, establishing HELLER as a formidable player in the machine tool industry. Product range. HELLER offers a comprehensive range of products designed to meet the diverse needs of its industrial clientele. The product lineup includes 1. Horizontal and 5-axis machining centers. These machines are renowned for their precision and efficiency, capable of handling complex machining tasks with high accuracy. 2. CNC turning centers. HELLER's CNC lathes are engineered for high performance, providing exceptional speed and precision for turning operations. 3. Flexible manufacturing systems, FMS. These systems are designed to enhance production flexibility and efficiency, allowing for the automated handling of multiple machining processes. 4. Crankshaft and camshaft machines. Essential for the automotive industry, these machines offer high precision in manufacturing critical engine components. Technological innovations. HELLER is at the forefront of technological innovation in the machine tool industry. The company's commitment to research and development is evident in its state-of-the-art machining centers, and advanced manufacturing solutions. Key technological advancements include 5-axis machining centers. HELLER's 5-axis machining centers offer unparalleled precision and versatility, capable of performing multiple machining operations simultaneously. This technology significantly reduces setup times and enhances production efficiency. Integrated production systems. HELLER's integrated systems combine machining, measuring, and automation processes, providing a holistic solution for manufacturing complex parts. These systems are particularly beneficial in industries requiring high precision and repeatability. Energy-efficient technologies. HELLER is committed to sustainability, incorporating energy-efficient technologies into its machines. These innovations not only reduce energy consumption, but also minimize environmental impact. Market position and global reach. HELLER has established a strong presence in the global market,